Okay, mode of the data. What is meant by mode? Mode is nothing but most number of the times repeated value is called as a mode of the data. Suppose if you are taking any data into consideration, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 2, 5, 3, 2, 0, 5, 7, 2. If you see that this data is ungrouped data. This is ungrouped data, and for this data mode, if you want to find out, mode is nothing but most number of times repeated. Most number of times repeated is nothing but here. So if you observe that 5 is repeated how many times? 3 times. 2 is repeated here 4 times, and 3 is repeated 2 times. So which is repeated more number of times here? 2 is repeated more number of times. So that's why mode is called 2 of this data. Suppose ungrouped data only, sometimes the ungrouped data given here. Suppose I am asking you to your marks only I am collecting. Out of 10 marks, how many members got 1 mark? 1 mark marks and number of students. Number of students. 1 mark got by 1 students, 2 marks got by 0 students, 3 marks got by 4 students, 4 marks got by 6 students, 5 marks got by 12 students, 6 marks got by 13 students, 7 marks got by 2 students, 8 marks got by 2 students, 9 marks got by 1 student, 10 by 2 students. Like this, the data is given to you in a tabular form. Actually, it is also ungrouped data, but it is given in a tabular form. So, what is the mode of this data? Can you say what is
13.
the mode of this data? Huh?
13.
No, 13 is not a mode. Actually, that is only the mistake usually done by the students. You people. 2, 6, 6. Actually, this data, if you want to write in a ungrouped data, 1 mark, marks you have to write. 2 किसी को नहीं है. 3, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3. 6 times 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 times. 6 times. Like this will be there. So which number is repeated more number of times, that number should be taken as a mode. Here 13 times is there. So therefore the mode of the data is 6, not 13. 13 is a frequency which is having more frequency. समझ में आया? Which is having more frequency, that quantity should be taken into consideration. Okay? समझ में आया here? So let us take the group data into consideration. If you have any doubt here, you ask. See here, instead of writing like that, in a table format like this, it is given. If you want here, even this one also the table format you can write. 0, 1 time. 1 is not there. 2 is 5 times. For 5 times, so how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Sorry, 4 times. 2 is 4 times. 3 is how many times? 1, 2, 2 times. 4, only 1 time. 5, 1, 2, 3 times. 6, only 1 time. 7, only 1 time. These are the numbers given. Now here this is having more frequency. More we set it 2. We didn't set 4. Which quantity is repeatedly is appearing, that is called mode of the data. So this is ungrouped data whenever it is given to you. समझ में आया? So now grouped data if we are taking into consider, mode formula is first you need to find out a model class. Classes whenever it is given to you, model class you need to identify. So model class if you are taking into consider, from that you are going to find out the mode. The formula to find out the mode is equals to L plus. Normally the formula will be given to you, because if you write a formula like this, you may get confused here. Okay, F1 minus F0 by F1 minus F0 plus F2 minus F0. Sorry, F2 minus F1. See here, what is F0, F1 problem? Whenever you are taking it to consider, easily you can understand it. Whenever the quantity here, F1 minus F2. So this is into H. H is the class size. So I will explain it here. What is F1, F0, F2? First, while taking the problem here, easily you can understand. Problem example लेने के बाद easily समझ में आएगा. Here representation may be anything. Sometimes here question may be given. F1 is a frequency of the model class. The class which is having more frequency is called model class. Model class बोले तो which is having more frequency is called as model class. And L is equals to lower limit of model class. Model class का lower limit है. F1 is frequency of model class. Frequency of model class. F0 is nothing but the frequency of preceding model class. It is called frequency of preceding model class. Preceding model class. F2 is nothing but frequency of succeeding model class. Succeeding model class. And H is nothing but class size. Just one example I will take it to consider here. Simple that. Suppose 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 50, 50 to 20. Simple example. The frequencies are given here 2, 3, 5, 2. Which is having higher frequency? 5. So this class is considered as a model class. This class is considered as a model class. In this model class, the lower limit is 10. So L is equals to 10. Lower limit of the model class. Next, F1 is nothing but frequency of the model class. Here F1 frequency of the model class. So F1 is equals to 5. F0 is nothing but frequency of the preceding model class. Preceding बोलो तो इससे पहले वाला है. So इसके पहले वाला क्या है? F0 है. F0 is equals to 3. F2 is equals to succeeding model class. Succeeding means after. इसके बाद क्या है? वो है. So 2. So these are the values. And class size H is equals to क्या है? 5. Class size H is equals to 5. These values you have to substitute in the formula. L plus, that formula can also be given in sometimes in another way. इसको reform करके भी लिख सकते हैं. L plus में दोबारा I'm saying to you, L plus लिखने के बाद ये ऊपर L नहीं होगा. L should be separate term here. So that's why to avoid confusion, L लिखने के बाद इसको ऊपर एक लाइन लिखें. ऊपर क्या है? F1 minus F0. How do we remember it? F1 is the frequency of the highest frequency, which is having highest frequency. That only should be taken into consider. So highest frequency. And this one, if you write here, simplify कर दिया तो you can write to F1 minus F0 plus F2 भी लिख सकते हैं. See here, इसको simplify करो. 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. Minus common ले in the brackets F0 plus F2 आ जाएगा. So this should be multiplied by H. So this is a way to find out the mode of the given data for the group data. Okay, for the group data. So let us see the textual questions whatever it is given here. So power Shakti books class chapter number 14th. So textual questions I am going to take into consider 1-2 questions, and then from that easily we'll solve the how do we find out the solution. Okay, mode of the group data. Okay, so see the first question here. One question I will make and explain to you. So the remaining all same model questions easily you can do that. In this nothing is difference you are having. Here you are not going to do. Board is visible to you. बोर्ड दिखाई दे रहे?
Yes, sir.
So exercise 14.2. So the question is given to you that the following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in the hospital during the year. So if you get confused here, a little bit hard problem, let us say hard मतलब the number ज़्यादा ले लिया है. Which one is given to you? All the questions are given to you. Same model questions इसमें कुछ नहीं है. So let's take the third problem into consideration. You may get confused with the third problem. The following data gives the distribution of the total monthly household expenditure. Monthly household expenditure of the 200 families of a village. So find the model monthly expenditure of the families and also find the mean of the. In these cases, questions may mean also asking you to find out. So mean any method you can use. First, let us see how do we find out the mode of the data. So the question is given to you expenditure. 1000 rupees to 1500 rupees. So the frequencies first let us write 24, 40, 33, 28, 30, 22, 67. So 1500, 5000 तक दे दिया है. So these are the 200 families data. The data of the 200 families. 1000 to 1500. Next, 1500 to 2000. 2000 to 2500. 2500 to 3000. 3000 to 3500. 3500 to 4000. 4000 to 4500. 4500 to 5000. This is a given data. Okay, number of families 200 is given. So sum of the frequencies here this is 200. If इसको ऐड करना 200 आ जाएगा. उससे मतलब नहीं है हमको. Mode whenever you are finding it is an easy task for you. No need of extra any columns to do. First identify the model class. So model class. What is model class here? Which class is model class? Model classes. Which is having more frequency in this? 40. So this is model class. 1500 to 2000. So L is equals to 1500. Okay. And F1 is equals to 1. This is F1. This is F0. This is F2. So F0 is equals to 24. F2 is equals to 33. See, एक ऑर्डर है 0, 1, 2. 1 किसको कंसीडर करना है? हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी को, and 0 and 2. Okay, so now here the formula h is equals. In this situation, if the classes are not given to you in a continuous classes, if classes are not given to you continuous classes, then you can see here continuous classes नहीं दिया है तो continuous में convert करना है. Suppose here same number नहीं है तो उसको कन्वर्ट करना है, but here it is given to you same and h is equals to 500. Therefore mode of the data is equals to formula is n plus f1 minus f0 by, in any way you can write 3 forms होता है, both are same, f1 minus f0 plus f1 minus f2 into h. So L is equals to what here? 1500 plus f1 minus f0, 40 minus 24 by 40 minus 24 plus 40 minus 33 into 500. हमको इससे मतलब इससे we are not required to discuss some of the frequencies here in this case. Okay? In mode 5, mode is very simple here. 1500 plus 40 minus 24, 20 16 आता है by 16 plus 7 into 500. So LCM मत करो here, most of the students will do the LCM. इसको simplify करके better you find out 16 by 23 into 500. 16 5
65.
16 5
65.
16 5 बेटा 65
Say 80.
80. अरे क्या हो गया? So ये LCM मत करो, I am saying this one you separately individually find out because decimals में आए तो decimals में express करो. 16 5 80 means 8000 we are going to get by 23. 8000 को 23 से divide करो. Some number you will get and that number decimals में आ जाएगा and then you add it to 1500. So the see here even here also the final answer more whatever you are finding 8000 को 23 से divide करो. Division part I am not doing here, you can do it. It's very simple here. So 1500 and divide करो इससे, then you are going to get the required answer. This is a way to find it. And final answer whenever you are observing that always lies within the these model class. मैं पहले मीन क्या बोला था? मीन इधर से इधर को बीच में होता है, but here the final answer will be in between the model class. Model class का बीच में the answer रहेगा. समझ में आया? Is there any doubt here? Shall we do the one more problem? Or enough? Can you do it? Okay, one more problem also let us take into consideration. ये तो समझ में आया ना? शालू?
Yes, sir.
रुद्र नहीं?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया? Mode how do we find out? See here statistics. I already told you. In your chapters, constructions, applications of trigonometry and statistics. Very few models will be there, and that if you learn, good marks you are going to get. These chapters don't neglect each and every. Yes, समझ में आया तो most of the students will feel that yes, I understood, I can do this one. But until and unless you practice, you are not going to get it. So practice is very much essential. If you are understanding, you may feel that yes, I can do it. Understanding means you cannot do it sometimes. And you put on a paper. You should put on a paper. Okay? So let us go for the next one more problem. Say all the models will be same. So which difference in idea? All the models will be same only. So 6 problems are given to you. Okay, fifth problem, see here. So what is the question given to you? The given distribution choose the number of runs scored by the some top batsmen of the world in the one day international cricket. One day international cricket में okay, so here the question is given to you 3000 to 4000 score, 3000 to 4000, and like this 11,000 and 4,000 to 5,000, 5,000. Okay, let us write here frequencies so that easily you can write 4, 18, 9, 7, 6, 3, 1. So all are having the same frequency. So now what do you have 5,000? This is 5,000 to 6,000. This is 6,000 to 7,000. 7,000 to 8,000. 8,000 to 9,000. 9,000 to 10,000. What is the score? 10,000 to 11,000. One day international score of the some top cricketers. So this is class intervals and this is the frequencies. So can anyone say the what is the model class? Highest frequency is where we have
The 4,000 to 5,000.
yes, 4,000 to 5,000 is model class. 4,000 to 5,000. So what is L? Rudranen, one by one have to say. L क्या है? What is L? Lower limit of the model class. Yes, anyone? Trisha?
Yes, sir.
What is L beta in this? Don't know.
No, sir.
Huh? Whether you are listening the class or not, is it audible to you or not? Is it audible or not?
Yes, sir.
So what is L? Shalu?
Sir, 4,000.
लोअर लिमिट ये मॉडल क्लास है सी मॉडल क्लास कैसे आएगा तो मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या है इसमें ज्यादा क्या है 18 है एंड 18 वाला नंबर लेना so that is model class in this lower limit is whatever it is there that is L 4000 and here F1 is nothing but frequency of model class ये model class का frequency है that is 18 and F0 is nothing but उस 18 से preceding वाला पहले वाला that is 4 and F2 is nothing but ये इससे बाद वाला that is 9 and H is nothing but class size. What is the class size here? Vedika.
1,000.
Yes, class size is 1,000. Sorry, 1,000. So these values mode formula में substitute करना है. So what is given here? Mode is equals to formula L plus F1 minus F0 by F1 minus F0 plus F1 minus F2 into H. So L is equals to 4,000 plus F1 is 18, F0 is 4, 18 minus 4 by 18 minus 4 plus 18 minus 9 into 1000. So which is equals to 4,000 plus 14,000, 14,000 by 14 plus 9, 23. So 4,000 plus 23,000, sorry. 14,000 divided by 23. इसको divide करो. I'm repeatedly saying to you, don't LCM करने की जरूरत नहीं. If 14,000 ये 14,000 को 23 से डिवाइड करो. Okay, so 140 are writing 23 6 are 23 6 are 6 3 are 18 1 6 to the 12 138 2 are 20 तो 0 लगाओ तो इसको 100 हो जाएगा. So 8 9 9 और 8 आ जाएगा 8 8 3 are 24 2 carry 8 to the 16 184. So decimal में 16 आ जाएगा. decimal point लग गया तो 160 आ जाएगा. So one decimal place you take into consideration. After this 160 is nothing but 27. 7 is 21, 2, 7 is 14, now 79, 6 6.6 something. So what do you do? 608.6. So 4,000 plus 608.6. So 4,608.6 is the mode of this given data. And model class क्या है? This is model class. So ये दोनों के बीच में final answer आ जाएगा. So that you need to also here. This is the mode of the given data. This is mode of the given data. So next in the next class we are going to learn median.